Shruti, what's your name?
My name
Sorry,
is
I'm telling Okay, sorry. What's your name?
my name is Shruti Chaudhary.
Okay, Shruti, in which class do you study?
I study in 8th class.
Okay, in which school do you study?
I study in Maharshi Vidya Mandir.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become doctor in the future.
Okay, and which
A
color do you
child
like?
specialist.
And which color do you like most?
I like black color.
Okay, I know you. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. इसके 6 सेंटेंस बोलिए. I know you.
I know you. I don't know you. Do I know you? Don't I know you? Why do I know you? Why don't I know?
Very good. क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? कैसे पूछोगे?
Do you know me?
Do you know me? क्या तुम मुझे नहीं जानते?
Don't you know me?
तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो?
How do you know me?
Very good. तुम स्कूल क्यों जाते हो?
Why do you go school?
तुम क्यों आते हो?
Why do you come?
तुम क्यों खेलते हो?
Why do you play?
Yeah, very good. Yes, next. Hello, what's your name?
So my name is Vanshi Pannu.
Speak loudly, please.
Yes. Sir.
What's your name?
My name is Vanshi Pannu.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I study in 7th class.
Okay. And in which school do you study?
I study in Maharshi Vidya Mandir.
Okay, right. Okay. I go to college. Speak all the sentence.
I go to college. I don't go to college. Do I go to college? Don't I go to college? Why do I go to college? Why don't I go to college?
Right. क्या तुम कॉलेज जाते हो? कैसे
Do
पूछोगे?
you go to college?
कितने बजे जाते हो तो? At what
At what
time?
time do you go to college?
Okay. तुम क्या तुम है ना? क्या तुम खाना बनाते हो?
Sir,
Do you?
do you cook food?
क्या तुम गीत गाते हो?
Do you sing a song?
हाँ, मैं गीत गाता हूँ.
Yes, I sing a
मैं
song.
गीत नहीं गाता.
No, I don't sing a song.
Okay. Yeah. यति को दीजिए. Hello. Yes. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Yati Banote.
Yati. In which class do you study?
Second
study.
I study second class.
Okay. Good. है ना? मैं गीत गाता हूँ. इसके 6 सेंटेंस बोलो. I sing a song.
I sing a song. I don't sing a song. Do I sing a song? Don't I sing a song? Why do I sing a song? Why don't I?
तुम खेलते हो. You play cricket.
You play cricket. You don't play cricket.
Do you?
Do you play cricket? Don't you play cricket? Why do you play cricket? Why don't you play?
Okay, very good. ठीक है ना? उनके दीजिए आप फिर. Yes. हाँ, आप यहाँ बैठ जाओ फिर साइड में आ जाओ. चल जाओ. Over there. हाँ, okay. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Rahul Chauhan.
Rahul. In which class do you study?
Sir,
I study.
I study 12th class.
Okay, very good. Right. What is the helping verb of present simple tense? Helping verb. Present simple tense. Do and.
Do and does.
Very good. Do and does. Right. मैं class आता हूँ. I come to class.
I come to class. I come to class. I don't come to class. Do I come to class? Don't I come to class? Why do I come to class? Why don't I come?
Omes. मैं कॉलेज गया था. I went to
I
college.
went to college.
सभी 6 सेंटेंस.
I didn't go to college. Did I go to college? Didn't I go to college?
हाँ.
Why did I go to college? Why didn't I go to
वह आएगी. She will.
She will come.
हाँ.
She won't come. Will she come? Won't she come? Why
Yes.
will she come? Why won't she come?
Okay, she will come. She won't come. Will she come? Won't she come? Why will she come? Why won't she come? Okay, ठीक है. Next one. Okay. बढ़ाइए अच्छे से. Okay. You take it. Just take. इसको सेट अप कीजिए. Okay. पहले प्रेजेंट सिंपल के सेंटेंस जैसे कि मैं गीत गाता हूँ.
I sing a song. I
हाँ.
don't sing a song. Do I sing a song? Don't I sing a song? Why do I sing a song? Why don't I sing a song?
मैं स्कूल गया था.
I went to school.
हाँ.
I didn't go to school. Did I go to school? Didn't I go to school? Why did I go to school? Why didn't I go to school?
Very good. वह पढ़ेगी. She will read.
She will read. She won't read. Will
हाँ.
she read? Won't she read? Why will she read? Why won't she read?
Very good. Why won't she read? Okay. Next one. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Tanisha Dhurve.
तनिषा. मैं जा रहा हूँ. इसके 6 सेंटेंस.
I'm going.
हाँ.
I don't going.
And going.
And going. And I am.
Am I going?
Am I going? And I going. Why am I going? Why am I going?
Right. मैं खेल रहा था.
I was playing.
हाँ.
I wasn't playing. Was I playing? Wasn't I playing? Why was I playing? Why wasn't I playing?
मैं जा रहा हूँगा.
I will go.
I will be going.
I will be going. I want to be going.
हाँ.
Will I be going? Won't I be going? Why will I be going? Why won't I be going?
Okay, please. Next one. Present perfect tense. मैं पास हो गया या मैं पास हो चुका हूँ. I have passed.
I have passed. I haven't passed. Have I passed? Haven't I passed? Why have I passed? Why haven't I passed?
मैं अपना काम कर चुका था. I had done my work.
I had done my work. I hadn't done my work. Had I done my work? Hadn't I done my work? Why had I done my work? Why hadn't I done my work?
Okay, that's yeah. मैं जा चुका होगा.
I will have
Gone.
gone.
I will have gone Yeah, okay, please
I will
explain.
have gone, I won't have gone, will I have gone, won't I have gone, I will have gone, but I won't have gone.
Why won't I have
Gone.
gone? Why? Okay, voice of present simple. Okay, next one. हाँ, प्लीज भूमिका वॉइस में देखते हैं ना प्रेजेंट सिंपल, जैसे कि इंग्लिश मेरे द्वारा बोली जाती है,
English is spoken by me.
इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन बाय मी। 6 सेंटेंस।
English is spoken by me. English isn't spoken by me. Is English spoken by me? Isn't English spoken by me? Why is English spoken by me? Why isn't English spoken by me?
कन्वर्ट इन वॉइस ऑफ पास्ट सिंपल टेंस। इंग्लिश मेरे द्वारा बोली गई थी।
English was spoken by me.
हाँ।
English wasn't spoken by me. Was English spoken by me? Wasn't English spoken by me? Why?
Yeah.
Why was English spoken by me? Why wasn't English spoken by me?
ओके वेरी गुड, ठीक है ना। बाहर से एक ही टेंस सभी से पूछते हैं, ठीक है ना। ओके प्लीज वोमेस यू टेक योर सीट, मतलब टेक माइक आल्सो। प्रेजेंट सिंपल पहले आपसे शुरू कर, ठीक है। जैसे कि आई टीच इंग्लिश। 6 सेंटेंस।
I teach English. I don't teach English. Do I teach English? Don't I teach English? Why do I teach English? Why don't I teach English?
ओके नेक्स्ट वन। तुम आते हो, यू कम।
You come, you don't come.
हाँ,
Oh,
डू यू
do
कम।
you come? Don't you come? Why do you come? Why don't you come?
ओके भूमि नेक्स्ट। सर क्लास लेंगे।
Sir, taken.
सर क्लास लेंगे। सर विल टेक द क्लास।
Sir will take the class. Sir won't take the class. Will sir take the class? Won't sir take the class? Why will sir take the class? Why won't sir take the class?
ओके नेक्स्ट। वह जा रही है, प्रेजेंट
She-
कंटीन्यूअस। हाँ,
She is going.
ओके
She is going, she isn't going, is she going, isn't she going, why is she going, why isn't she going?
राइट। मेरा भाई खेल रहा था,
My,
रहा था, है ना। हाँ,
my brother was playing.
playing, yeah, my brother was playing।
My brother was playing, my brother wasn't playing, was my brother playing, wasn't my brother playing, why was my brother playing, why wasn't my brother playing?
राइट। ओके मैं गा रहा होगा, I will be
I
singing।
will be singing. I won't be singing. Will I be singing? Won't I be singing? Why will I be singing? Why won't I be singing?
ओके नेक्स्ट वन। मैं काम, है ना, जैसे कि मैं लिख चुका हूँ, I have written।
I have written, I haven't written, have I written, haven't I written, why have I written, why haven't I written?
ओके राइट। मैं जा चुका था, तो I had gone, I hadn't gone, had I gone, hadn't I gone, why had I gone, why hadn't I gone। मैं जा चुका होगा, I will have gone, I won't have gone, will I have gone, won't I have gone, why will I have gone, why won't I have gone। आप बोलिए, मैं सुबह से बोल रहा हूँ। टेंस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। मैं सुबह से बोल रहा हूँ, तो I have been speaking since morning। या
I have been speaking since morning, I haven't been speaking
since
since
morning।
morning, have I been speaking since morning, haven't I been speaking since morning, why
Okay.
have I speaking since
Why have
morning,
I been?
why have I been speaking since morning, why haven't I been speaking since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से बोल रहा था, या मैं सुबह से खेल रहा था। I had been playing since morning।
I had been playing since morning. I hadn't been playing since morning.
हाँ।
Had I been playing since morning? Hadn't
I been,
I been playing since morning?
yeah,
Why had I been playing since morning? Why hadn't
I been।
playing since morning?
Okay next। मैं सुबह से खेल रहा होगा, so I will have been playing since morning।
I will have been playing since morning.
हाँ,
I won't have been playing since morning.
Yeah.
Will I have been playing since morning? Won't I have been playing since morning? Why will I have been playing since morning?
हाँ,
Why haven't I?
why won't I have been?
Why won't I have been playing since
Okay,
morning?
speak all the helping verbs of tense।
So do, does, did, will,
हाँ,
am, is, are, has, have,
am is are, was
were,
will be,
will be, have,
Have,
has, have, had,
हाँ,
will have,
हम्म,
have been, has been,
हाँ।
have been, has been, had been, will have been.
Bhumika, please, you also speak one more time all the helping verbs।
Do, does, did, will, is, am, are, was, were, will be, have, has, had, will have, has been, have been, had been, will have been.
Have been, has been, had been, and will have been। So do you play cricket?
No, I don't play.
Do you sing a song?
No, I don't sing a
Do you
song.
watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Yes, I watch TV। Okay, thank you so much to all of you।